Hello, this is Nick Inc., your instructional designer. I wanted to share a quick lecture with you on how to import rubrics into Canvas. This is a relatively new feature and is one that many have wanted for the LMS. Rubrics are incredibly useful for any class, but especially for online classes. Rubrics not only let students know how they will be graded, but also see the reason for their grades afterwards. Rubrics allow for more open communication of grading policies and offer a more equitable grading process where every student is graded with the same criteria. However, the biggest downside to rubrics is building them. Especially in Canvas, this is a long and tricky process and requires a lot of clicking and moving items around. Many people have expressed a desire that they be able to build a rubric in a program they prefer and then import it into Canvas. Thankfully, this is now a feature in Canvas and acts as an alternative to building rubrics within the Canvas LMS. This video will discuss the process and walk you through how to make rubrics in this way. On any Canvas course shell, first go to the Rubrics tab, then you will click on the Import Rubric button found on the top right of the screen. This will open up a window where the importing process will occur. The rubric must first be made in a specific Excel template before it can be imported. Thankfully, Canvas allows for a downloadable template in this window. Clicking the Download Template button will give you a copy of it. You can save this to your computer for easy access in the future, or just download it each time. The template is set up to allow the materials and items for the rubric to be easily input. Starting from the left, the rubric name should be copied and pasted for each criterion. Then you will rename and add any criteria needed. These can stand for anything that you want to grade in the assignment. Criteria descriptions are not necessary, and you can leave all of these cells blank if nothing is needed. If you do not want to enable a range of points when grading, copy false in all capitals for each criterion. If you do want a range, replace these with true in all capitals for all criteria. From here, you will go through each row to add whatever is needed. 3 rows marked rating name are initially made for criteria 1 and 2 rows for criteria 2. These mark how many separate ratings you want for each criterion. You can add more by adding another 3 rows marked rating name, rating description, and rating points for each rating a criterion needs beyond what this template gives you. Everything else is just replacing the values. Rating name can be changed to any marker, such as excellent or shows improvement. The rating description will be whatever the students will be graded on, such as all questions answered, or effective use of analysis, or anything else. The ratings points will mark the points each rating in a criterion will be set to, and can be made whatever value you wish. Here's an example of a fully built template using all of these items. So long as all of these items and rows are present, this will be what populates the rubric in Canvas. Once you have the template built out like this, or to your needs, save it. Then return to the course rubric page and click or drag to upload the rubric to it. Once done, it will appear in the rubric list and will automatically be formatted as a Canvas rubric. You are then free to edit this as needed, to add or correct anything you missed in the template, or you can delete this and then correct and re-upload the template. Make sure that before you use the template, you do go to the Edit feature and then save the rubric in order to absolutely make sure that this is set in the course and can be used for an assignment. If you have previously avoided using rubrics in Canvas due to the difficulty of making them the normal way, I would highly recommend this method to you. Rubrics are a powerful and effective tool in assessing and grading student work and are useful tools for keeping grading fair. This method allows you a little more freedom in building these items and working as you feel fit. I hope this lecture video helps you to structure your own online courses and gives you the tools to do so. If you have any questions or need help, please email me and I'd be glad to assist. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.